Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are diving into the magic of the holiday season as we explore DIY Christmas decoration together. Think of it as unlocking your inner holiday artist. We are about to embark on a journey filled with festive creativity. So grab your crafting supplies and let's turn ordinary into extraordinary, from involved traditional ornaments to easy proper snowflakes. We are making your space uniquely festive. Get ready for a DIY adventure that celebrates the spirit of the season in the simplest and most joyful way. Creative, do it yourself. If your decoration means making your own holiday decor, interested of buying it, it is like being your own holiday artist. This process being joy because you get to add your personal touch to every ornament and decoration. Think of it as giving your home a unique style that reflects your personality. You can choose color, themes, and materials that make you happy. It is not just about following a set design, it is about making something special that fit your taste. So DIY decoration are not just craft, they are a way to make your space feel cozy and uniquely your during the festive season. Revamp your old ornament easily by adding a fresh coat of paint or a sprinkle of glitter. This simple DIY tricks breathes new life into your decoration, making theme shine with holiday spirit. Beyond the sprinkle, there is a beautiful sentimental touch when you reuse and transform these ornaments. Each stroke of paint or glitter reflect memories from past celebration, creating a sense of nostalgia. It is not just about crafting, it is about sharing the holidays, sharing the history and stories embedded in your decoration. So grab your paintbrush or glitter jar and let the sentimental journey begin as you give your crushed ornament a festive makeover. Sure, let's break it down. Celebrate. Creating paper snowflakes is as easy as folding papers and cutting shapes. Here is a simple way to do it. Take a square piece of paper, fold it from a triangle, make additional fold to create a smaller triangle, cut small shapes analog to edge, unfold to reveal a unique snowflakes. The best part, you need only paper and scissors, making it a budget friendly activities. By using basic material like regular paper, you can enjoy the full of crafting without spending much. So gather your supplies, get creative and decorative your space with these charming DIY paper snowflakes. It is a simple, cost effective way to add a touch of winter wonder to your home. Let's break it down. Interested of tossing, use wrapping paper. Let's get creative, a find new way to use it. You can repurpose wrapping paper for cool DIY project. Why? Well, it is not just about being crafty, it is also about being kind to our planet. When we reuse wrapping paper, we are doing something eco-friendly. Imagine turning yesterday is gift wrapped into today awesome crafts. It is like giving the paper a second chance. So let's give it to world of up recycling and discover how to transform wrapping paper into something fantastic. Not only will you impress your friend with your creativity, but you will also be a superhero for the environment. win-win. Create your own delightful cinnamon sticks candles easily. Simple, gather some candles and cinnamon sticks. Take each cinnamon stick and gently attach it around the candle using some rubber bands or twine. As the candle burns, the warmth releases the scent of cinnamon, creating a cozy atmosphere in your home. The natural fragrance adds a festive touch to any room, making it perfect for the holiday season. This DIY project not only enhances your decor but also provide a wonderful sensory experiment. Enjoy the warmth and comforting aroma that these cinnamon sticks candles bring to your living space during the festive celebration. Create beautiful garlands by combining pine cones and twigs. To do this, gather pine cones which you can find outdoors or purchases at a craft store. Attach the pine cones to the twigs, bind them securely at intervals. This DIY project is all about embracing a rustic vibe, so don't worry about perfect symmetry. Let the natural elements shine. The earthy tones of pine cones paired with the simplicity of twin bring a cozy wonderland charm to your holiday decor. Hang these garlands on your material staircase or even as a festive touch to your dining areas. It is an easy and affordable way to add a touch of nature beauty to your Christmas decoration. Discover the joy of crafting teeny ornaments for your mini Christmas trees. In this DIY adventure, we will explore creating miniature wonders that add a touch of charm to your festive decor. Dive into the wonder of versatility as we emphasize the endless possibility with this point-sized decoration, from whimsical snowflakes to adoptable tiny stocking. You will learn how these mini wonder can transform your mini trees into delightful showcases of holiday spirit. Unleash your creating, whether it is personalizing each miniature of experimenting with versus materials. Get ready for a fun and accessible journey into the realm of small scale festive magic that everyone can enjoy. We have explored easy and budget friendly Christmas decoration ideas that you can make yourself, from giving traditional ornaments a fresh look to crafting delightful proper snowflakes. These DIY projects bring a personal touch to your holiday decor. Don't forget to transforming your space with cinnamon sticks candles for a cozy atmosphere and creating eco-friendly garlands using natural elements. Personalized stocking with fabric paints and crafting miniatures these ornaments for a charming touch. Finally, I have love to see your unique creation. Share your DIY cinnamon decoration in the comments below. Let's inspire and spread the festive cheer together.